How to make Pinterest pin on PicsArt. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make Pinterest pin using Pinterest pin maker on PicsArt. For that, you will have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type PicsArt.com, the official website of PicsArt. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. On this interface, when you enter, you will find a magnifying glass just ahead of your profile picture indicating search icon. Click on it and you will reach to this page where at the top you will find various editing and designing tools. Here, hover your cursor to that design option and below you will find various maker templates. From this list, locate and find Pinterest pin maker, which is just below YouTube thumbnail maker under social media headings. Once you find it, click on it to reach this page. Here you will find create a Pinterest pin option at the left side. Click on that create a Pinterest pin option at the bottom. Then you will reach to the editing space. Now after reaching this editing space, at the left side you will find various templates that you can use for making your Pinterest pin. Once you find the pin that interests you, double click on it to bring it to your canvas and you can see the template has been displayed on your canvas. Now from here you can edit as per your preference. At the right side you will see some elements that are included in this template. By clicking on them you can edit them as per your liking. Also you can use this rewrite with AI feature to advance your text. So in this way you can make Pinterest pin on PicsArt. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.